Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Telegram without SIM card. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into that video. So if you want to use Telegram without a physical SIM card, this method is simply possible by using any of the virtual phone number service, that is VoIP or eSIMs, to receive the initial SMS verification code. You can use trusted options like Google Voice, or you can use Hushed, and you can use Text-Free or Twilio, which are trusted options. Once registered, you can create a unique username in Telegram settings so others can find you without knowing your virtual number. So, if you're going to follow these simple methods and use a virtual phone number instead of a physical one, you can still use Telegram without a SIM card. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.